Need more usage, priority access, or additional Claude AI features? Upgrading your Claude plan gives you access to higher usage limits and premium capabilities designed for individuals and professionals. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upgrade your Claude AI plan in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Claude AI account. From the main dashboard, click your profile icon in the lower left corner, then select Settings. This is where you'll find your billing and subscription options. Next, open the billing section. Here you'll see your current subscription along with the available upgrade options. If you're using the free plan, you'll see an option to upgrade. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Review the included features, usage limits, and billing options before continuing. If available, you can choose between monthly and annual billing. Now enter your payment details and review your subscription before confirming the purchase. Take a moment to verify the billing information before completing your order. Click Subscribe or Confirm to complete your purchase. Your upgraded plan will usually become active immediately. Any remaining time on your current subscription may be credited automatically when changing eligible plans. Return to the Claude dashboard and begin using your upgraded features. Depending on your plan, you'll have access to higher usage limits and additional capabilities. So you've successfully upgraded your Claude AI plan, and that's how to upgrade your Claude AI plan. Whether you need more usage, faster access during busy periods, or additional premium features, upgrading is a simple process that takes only a few minutes. Choosing the plan that matches your workflow can help you get even more from Claude. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.